Good morning, my dear students and friends. It gives me great pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. Today, we are going to discuss some concepts from the lower classes. Okay, everybody knows the identity x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Of course, everybody knows. If you have already learned, it's okay, it's well and good. You can listen, get thorough by going through whatever I am going to explain now. Okay, otherwise, those who are learning for the first time, it will be definitely easier for you. Just learn how it is being done now. This is called an identity because this is going to be true for any real values of x, a, b. Whatever may be the values given to the variables x and a and b, I'll get the same answer as the right hand side. Therefore, it is called an identity. It is called an algebraic identity. It is in terms of algebraic quantities. Therefore, it is called an algebraic identity. Just listen carefully. Let me think of the proof over here. Let me just see how we go about it. Okay, let me start with LHS x plus a into x plus b. Here I am going to apply distributive property. I am going to distribute the x with this quantity again and again. Therefore, it is called distributive property. Therefore, I will multiply x plus b with the x. I will multiply x plus b with a. That is the meaning of distributive property. Let me apply distributive property again. X into x becomes x square. X into b becomes bx. A into x becomes ax. And a into b is ab. Here there is a common factor x. Therefore, I can take x as common. A plus b into x plus ab. This is my right hand side. Let me just explain once again. Okay. All of you know very well x plus a into x plus b, so x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is an algebraic identity. It is in terms of algebraic quantities, therefore it is an algebraic quantity. It is an algebraic equation. Okay, it is an identity because it is going to be true for any real values of x or a or b. Okay, let me just get the proof algebraically. Okay, x plus a and x plus b. I'll be applying distributive property. This particular two quantities are distributed over this particular thing and it is being added. Therefore, it is called distributive property. I am multiplying x with x plus b plus I am multiplying a with x plus b. Therefore, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. X into x becomes x square. X into b becomes bx. A into x becomes ax. A into b becomes ab. I will be able to take the common factor x out. Now for x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Ax plus bx can be written as a plus b into x plus ab. Now for I start with LHS and I end with RHS. Therefore, x plus a into x plus b becomes x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is how we get the proof algebraically. Now, the same thing can be proved in an easier manner. Those students who are interested can even do this as an activity also. Just listen carefully. We just take a rectangle ABCD of dimensions x plus a into x plus b. That is, AB is of length x plus a units and AD is of length x plus b units. Let it be. Now, I take AB to be of length x units and PB is of length a unit as drawn in the diagram. I have drawn it for you already. Okay. And AQ is of length x units and QD is of length b units. What I will do is, I'll draw PS parallel to BC as well as AD. I'll draw QR parallel to AB as well as CD as drawn in the diagram. Okay, let them meet at T. Now listen carefully. Now area, the original rectangle ABCD now becomes x plus a into x plus b. If you look at it carefully, it is divided into four areas. Practically speaking, area of this square APTQ, which is x square, plus area of this rectangle PBRT, which is AX, length is A and breadth is X, Okay, plus area of this rectangle TRCS, which is AB, length is A and breadth is B, and here it is area of rectangle QTSD, which is of course B into X BX. Therefore, the original area of rectangle ABCD now becomes LHS X plus A into X plus B, which is equal to X square plus AX plus AB plus BX. I'll group this AX and BX. Now X square plus AX plus BX becomes X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Let me repeat. I consider rectangle ABCD of length X plus A units and breadth X plus B units. I'll mark P over here in between A and B in such a way that AP is equal to X units so that PB becomes A units. I'll mark Q in between A and D such that AQ is equal to X units and QD is equal to B units. Area of any rectangle is A length into breadth, everybody knows. Length into breadth, everybody knows. Okay, therefore, area of this original rectangle now becomes X plus A into X plus B. That is my LHS of the corresponding identity I am trying to prove now. This is like an activity. Now, I will draw QR parallel to AB as well as DC, meeting BC at R. I will draw PS parallel to AD as well as DC, meeting at CD at S. Okay, now let QR and PS meet at T. Now, the whole area is divided into 4 different areas. One is a square of side X units, which is of area X square. One is a rectangle of measurements or dimensions A and X, area is AX. One is a rectangle of measurements A and B, that is dimensions A and B, area is AB. The last one is a rectangle of dimensions B and X or X and B, whatever it may be. Now for the whole area is written as area of this square, which is X square, plus area of this rectangle, which is AX, plus area of this rectangle, which is AB, area of this rectangle, which is BX. Now for X square plus X plus A and X plus B is my LHS. It can also be written as X square plus AX plus AB plus BX. I'll group X square plus AX plus BX plus AB. AX plus BX can be written as A plus B into X plus AB. You can draw it out and find out, or you can use some wooden materials I can prepare and then do also. Therefore, you can do as an activity, you'll be able to visualize the proof X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Original area ABCD is X plus A into X plus B, which is equal to this area, which is X square. All the 4 sides are equal, which is a square. Area is X square. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is X. These two opposite sides are X. This is A for AX. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides of length A units. Opposite sides here of length B unit, that is AB. This is again a rectangle. Opposite sides here are X units and opposite sides here are B units for BX. This is how we get the proof like an activity. Okay, I think you students can try on your own by drawing like this, or you can using some cardboard or wooden material to prepare such a thing. You can do this as an activity. Therefore, the proof of X plus A into X plus B to B is equal to X square plus A plus B into X plus AB is explained in an easier manner as an activity like this. Thank you students. We will continue the application part of this in another video. Thank you for patient watching.